and it's just a continuation of the stream. Hey internet, this is Bharat, your weekend farmer. Welcome to another video. So today's video is about restoring an old irrigation system. So this system was used by our great ancestors back in the days when there was no electrical pumps or any other pumping setups made. So this is a natural flow of water where they guide the water from the stream to the destination, and the difference in here from the source to destination is nearly a kilometer. So yeah, it was not in use for a few years now, so we decided to restore it. We are right now at the source. So it's almost done. So I'll show you a few clippings from the restoration part, and right now we will restore the things from the source and check the water flow, how it goes, and reach the destination. So let's begin with the video. So this is the wall. So this is the main stream, which is the source for the system. You can see this is the main flow. What we have done here is we have made a small banking which diverts the water flow into this small pipe over here. Now let's follow the path and see if it reaches the destination. This is how it looks on the other side of the wall. We can see the water flow. So this is the path. We're just clearing any debris on the way. The flow comes here and gets diverted to that side. There is one more water source coming from the side. You can see the water flows. We have this very narrow setup made from tree which acts as a bridge. So water flows through this. It connects the source from there, and Phone is real excited to go there. We have one beautiful waterfall over there. It's just a continuation of the stream which we had seen earlier. So this irrigation system was primary water source for all these fields over here and the fields over there. So the water continues to flow over this side of this mountain. The flow starts getting a bit tricky over here because the path over there is a bit congested. You see the water flows over here. So the water flows from there all the way here, and through these bushes. The path is hardly visible. You can see the water gets diverted from here. This path leads to the fields on the lower side. So this is where we channelize the flow. Right now we have channelized it to the bigger field. So we are at the destination. Water flows through here into this field. So this system which I showed you now is a major source of water for the fields around here. This is one big field and other fields around here.